Are you looking for the investment strategy that wealthy families trust most to protect their wealth? Right now, America is facing inflationary pressures, a volatile stock market, and a financial landscape that leaves many wondering if their retirement savings are truly safe. Every day, headlines scream about rising costs, unstable banks, and the uncertainty of tomorrow's economy. If you've been watching these developments closely, you might already feel that uneasy knot in your stomach. And if you're a retiree with significant savings, you might be asking yourself, how do I protect my hard-earned wealth from erosion? I get it, it's a tough time. But here's something that may surprise you. There's one investment strategy that the wealthiest families have relied on for generations to safeguard their wealth. It's not stocks, bonds, or even real estate. It's a gold IRA. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gold? That's an old-school investment. Does it really work in today's market? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, I'll reveal why gold IRAs are not just an old relic. They're an essential part of a strategy that makes sense in 2025 and beyond. And I'll show you how you can get started with no pressure, no gimmicks, and with expert guidance that's entirely tailored to you. But first, let's talk about what's happening in the world right now. The US dollar is losing purchasing power. Inflation is still a major concern, and central banks are warning about the possibility of more financial instability. Many of us thought we could trust our 401ks and IRAs to grow steadily over time, but now, with the markets in turmoil, we're realizing that those retirement accounts might not be as secure as we once thought. And then, of course, there's President Trump, who has raised concerns about our nation's financial future. With the way things are headed, many experts predict that inflation and economic instability could drag on longer than expected. Here's the reality. You've worked hard to build up your retirement savings, but there's no guarantee that it's safe in traditional assets. A gold IRA isn't just another asset. It's a time-tested solution that preserves wealth even in the toughest economic climates. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. Unlike stocks, bonds, or even cash, gold doesn't lose its value when the markets crash or inflation soars. In fact, during times of financial instability, gold tends to increase in value. And that's why wealthy families are turning to gold IRAs to preserve and grow their wealth, especially when everything else feels uncertain. So, how does this work, and why is it the investment strategy that the wealthiest trust most? First, a gold IRA allows you to take your retirement savings and transfer them into a portfolio of physical gold. This isn't just buying gold bullion or coins, you're putting your money into an IRA specifically designed for gold. This means it's tax-advantaged, and it's a way to diversify your savings without the risk of stock market volatility. But here's the kicker, the real secret that the wealthy know. Gold is not just a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against government debt, market crashes, and even geopolitical instability. When other assets are crashing, gold is often rising. And with more Americans reaching retirement age, this strategy is becoming more and more critical. Now, here's where things get really interesting. What if I told you that you could start protecting your wealth today with a complimentary, no-obligation consultation to determine if a gold IRA is the right fit for you? There's no pressure to buy anything, just one-on-one education to help you understand how a gold IRA could protect your future. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, this is your next logical step. You've earned your savings. Don't let it sit exposed to inflation or risk. This free guide and consultation could be the answer you've been looking for. But here's the deal. This isn't for everyone. We're looking to work with Americans who have $100,000 or more in their IRA or 401k and who are ready to take action to protect their wealth. We'll take the time to understand your situation, walk you through the process, and help you make the best decision for your retirement. And don't worry, there won't be any high-pressure sales tactics or free silver gimmicks. Just a straightforward educational call to see if a gold IRA makes sense for you. No gimmicks, just real solutions for your real financial future. You've worked hard to build your wealth. Now it's time to protect it, for yourself and for future generations. Don't wait for the next economic shock to take its toll. Take action now, before it's too late. Click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and claim your no-obligation call today. This could be the smartest move you ever make to protect your retirement.